So this is a good supplier. All right. So now let's say, for example, now you want to start selling these things and clothes like this. All these pictures beneath here, the supplier sells it. So how do you get the supplier's contact? You want to start selling this thing, you just need to start chatting with the supplier. You click on the customer service. After clicking on the customer service, you see this here. You screenshot it to know what is written in Chinese. You go back here and you search. After searching, look at it, send link and send an inquiry. Now if you send link, it's going to show the supplier. You know, I told you that I showed you a lot of things that the supplier is selling. So if you click on send link, it's going to tell the supplier what you are talking about before you send the message. So now let's go back here and click on the send link. After clicking on the send link, see what it brought out. So after clicking on it, then you go to Google Translate and tell the supplier, okay, hello, call them friend. They like when you call them friend. Hello friend, send me your WeChat details so that we can do big business. All right, even though you're not doing big business with them, as you're starting, just use this for them. Okay, then you click and you paste written in Chinese, paste it. Okay, and once you write this, you already know, okay, yes, you are sending. So this thing is written in the, if you look below here, you see an orange stuff. It's written sent. So once it turns to gray, that means the supplier has read your message and he will reply. All right, now another thing I want to show you is under this cocoa. If you look down, you see horn. This horn that you see here, it means that the supplier is a good supplier and is a factory supplier, and the quality of his item is good. Okay, quality of item is good. So that's that. So one of the things I want you to avoid on 1688 is bags that are cheap. Bags of $5 or 5 RMB, 4 RMB, 10 RMB. Those bags do not have, like, let me show you an example of bags that I'm talking about. See, bags like this, once they come, you will not like the quality. $8 RMB. Once they come, you might not like the quality of the bag. The bag might be so soft and all. Do you understand? So that's that. So now, one of the things I want to show you is that I want to show you how this website works, how this is works. Now let's say I want to buy these clothes, right? I want to buy these clothes from this supplier, right? How do I place an order? How do I know what is needed? What do? I click on the yellow button. If you go back to this video, you see where I told you about this yellow and orange button. The yellow button is writing add to receipt, and the red button is writing order now. So you want to add it. If you look up here, you see a search button. You see something that looks like book. So that thing that looks like book is where all these things are going to go once you order from with the yellow button. Once you order with the yellow button, it's going to go straight to this clipboard, this board here. So now let's check. We have the medium, we have the large. So let's say I'm going for 2 large and I click this. Once I click this, it's telling me that it has been added to this place. So if I click on it, you will see this is it. Can you see? Do you see how it works? Can you see it? 2 pieces. So if you click on it like this, you have added it that you want to pay. This way you are going to press pay. All right, don't forget that your Alipay and your 1688 is joined together. So if you want to make payment, it's going to remove money from your Alipay. Do you understand? So that is that about that. So let's go back here. We have this place. So this is how it works. This is the site. Very good quality clothes. So you go back. After going back, now let's look for another thing. Let me think of something I can show you. Now if you look at this price, you see 22.80 RMB is for this clothes. So you can ask for the price of RMB and you can know how much this clothes is. So if you are buying this clothes, you have to buy 2 pieces and above. Okay, you have to buy 2 pieces and above. All right. So there are some things that you want to buy. Once you buy them, they will tell you that if you are buying 5 pieces, if you are buying 6 pieces, if you are buying 6 pieces, you'll be getting a discount. Okay. So now let me look for shoes that have that. Now look at this. Under 20 RMB, under the 20 RMB, you see 2 pieces, right? So if you're buying 2 pieces, you'll be getting it for 20 RMB. If you're buying 60 pieces and above, you'll be getting it for 90 RMB. Now if you scroll down, you see 6.5 here. When you see 6.5, it's telling you that if you are shipping to this address, to this particular address that's written at the side of the price, you'll be charged 6.5 RMB. Okay, so let's screenshot and see what they're talking about. Screenshots. Go back here, change this to Chinese to English, go to camera, search for it, and look at it. If you're singing to Zhejiang Jinhua Express, you're going to be charging you 6.5 RMB for delivery. Now, what I want to tell you that the higher the more you buy, like that, if you are buying 60 pieces, they won't charge you 6.5 RMB. They might charge you more. So the higher you are buying, the higher the shipping fee. All right. So I hope you're understanding what I am saying. All right. I hope you're understanding what I'm saying. So let's go back here. So you see that you can use Google Translate to know what you are buying. Okay. So that is that about that. So now I'm going to split this video into two. So in the next video, I'm going to show you 3 basic things. Number 1, how to use the camera to search for items. All right. Number 2, how to know if a supplier has good quality. How to know how a supplier has good quality. And number 3, how to pay, how to add shipping address and pay. All right. So I'll see you in the next video.